Hello and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Start off by brushing your hair. And then you're going to pick up a section of hair from the side of your head with the most hair on it if you have a side part. And we're going to take outside strands of each piece and take the hair underneath to the other side. Take a section of hair from the outside of one strand, take it underneath so it joins the other strand. Take a section of hair from that strand, take it underneath so it joins the back strand. Now we're going to start to add in sections of hair. So pick up a section of hair from the front of your head, take it under and to the back strand. Add a new section of hair from the back of your head and take that underneath to the front strand. And you're just going to continue doing this. You want to aim it slightly backwards so it goes behind your ear. And when you reach your ear, you're going to stop adding in hair and just continue to do a fishtail braid. This braid is called a Dutch fishtail braid because it pops out from your head instead of looking more integrated. And then I'm taking a section of hair from the front round to the back and doing a little twist, and then I'm going to pin that in place. You're then going to take the fishtail braid that you've made. If your hair's long, you may need to fold it under itself. And you're going to pin this to your head, just underneath the twist you've made. Then you're going to take a section of hair from the side of your head where you started the Dutch fishtail braid, and you're just going to do a normal 3-strand braid. This just makes it look a bit more interesting. You've got a combination of different braids going on.